Moondance is a 2005 Oyster 53. She has a draft of 6 feet and her rig is ICW compatible. She features an electric roller furling mainsail. She has a Dodger and a bimini with side curtains. Up on the bow, there's a large chain locker and a 24-volt electric windlass. There's a deck washdown pump that is switchable from salt water to fresh water. All the way aft, there's a sugar scoop transom. It features a fold-down swim ladder and a convenient hot and cold shower. There are Simpson electric davits for the Walker Bay 310 Genesis dinghy with a 20 horsepower Honda outboard. There is a propane barbecue, large lazarette, life raft and ditch bag locker, and a propane locker with 2 aluminum tanks. The cockpit features a teak fold-out dining table. All the control lines lead back to the safety of the cockpit and are easily handled with an electric winch. The side decks are wide and uncluttered. There's a Ray Marine E140W chart plotter in the cockpit. Down below, the elegant interior is finished in rich American cherry wood. She features ultra-suede upholstery, reverse cycle air conditioning. The galley is to starboard and the nav station is to port. The interior accommodations are 4 staterooms and 2 heads. The bulkhead-mounted TV swings out for better viewing. There's a KVH M5 satellite TV system. There's a combination washer-dryer. The dining table folds out and can easily accommodate 8 people. There's a sea recovery modular reverse osmosis 40-gallon-per-hour water maker. The galley is to starboard and features a top-loading freezer, microwave oven, 4-burner propane stove with oven, front-loading refrigeration, double stainless steel sinks, and a pantry with great storage. The aft cabin features a queen-size berth and seat, double hanging lockers, drawers under the berth, flat screen TV. This cabin features an in-suite head with a separate stall shower. Up forward, there is a watertight bulkhead featuring a watertight door. The forward stateroom features a centerline double berth, built-in hanging lockers to starboard, and storage lockers to port. There are 3 additional drawers under the berth. The forward guest head is to port. There's an upper and lower berth guest cabin to starboard with a hanging locker and drawers. Aft of the nav station to port, there's a crew cabin that can also be used as a workshop. There's an ice maker in this cabin and direct access to the engine room. There's a 4-cylinder 100 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine and a Westerbeek 10 kW diesel generator. There are dual Raycor fuel filters. Forward of the crew cabin to port is the nav station. It features both the AC and DC electrical panel, chart plotter, satellite phone, opening chart table, and multi-display instruments. Moondance has been meticulously maintained by a very knowledgeable owner, and a personal inspection is highly recommended. Please contact Jordan Yachts for additional information or to schedule a showing.